Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Maybe I was here, and Muse ya. You find say, share timetable that way nim. Now here easy, Nenshisha or dear Jumana. A drew bear that bain as a Enema Muntinea, National Executive Committee bet me. I used to
a hypothetical statement and a question now. Joy FM for beside. And do what? Because me jitumpa say. What's that throughout the world? Countries be bring they lockdown, restrictive measures be bring to her. As we speak now, countries like Germany, Austria, and co are lifting or easing their restrictive measures.
Sure.
And until as we speak now, no, in Germany, no, ya BMA, sorry, to me, echo. But still, they observe the social distance protocols. To the extent, someone can say, I'm sorry now, I'm going to be a someone go, yeah, Antonio Moho. And you to there, you allow Antonio because Antonio Ma, because you say you're airborne in Sino, one share Hokra and call for a day, a Benyareno. You do that level. So, never change. But me make hypothetical situation, I didn't know West cry. Yen to me, Anya Shia. You see, it's answer 7 December. The TBA was here to Abantino because you are to Abba at the confusion everybody memuha because arrangement a what constitutional very very rigid. There's no way by 6th of January President Bear extended the term of office. We in the New Patriotic Party, we are not interested in that at all. We want to be sure say by 6th of January a president term of office national. By then, no, near to about 7 December, Emma by 8th, 9th, no, you declare no, say Ghana for as I renew the mandate. It will work towards ensuring, say, by 7 December, the TBA bet you have. Only one thing, also, about to about 7 December, no, the TBA, no, you have registration. Ose ya ti biara ya be registration president America sir
most of my MPP for answer Ghana for
answer never to akoto aba no registration exercise will be done
by who
because you by the electoral commission yes aba no ya be na yato say close to 1.8 to 2 million of Ghanaians are almost qualify at the 18 no I was here register to aba December no we to aka say o ma to aba and until on register o
say limited there.
It is possible limited depending on where we find ourselves.
Okay,
but whatever it is, either new register, which is the option that we believe in. We believe say register way I still register way it doesn't lend itself to modern innovations and all that. It's a new no ebe boy empa. I mean ebe boy na party no any party bia or ya credible or person who say obia we di 18 or ya Ghana ni pe and ya register. Now this thing about manual verification it leading to a lot of problems because machines no and to be fact go for on the day of election no because almost the facial recognition beba no ebe boa near to me akoyenim but whatever it is the biara conform with the 18 amu ya cover say 1.82 million no ya register omo 20 elections no nya dey be credible it ya no dey wo. It is electoral commission bet by here. The TV and the New Patriotic Party will have the opportunity to elect our parliamentary candidates to stand on our ticket. It is this thing also, but you see, there's this argument and our party circle say. And that is what people were responding to. I just gave them the oxygen to respond to that. There's this school of thought say, Sadia no cry, and your prime is there. Send the ever city members of parliament in the contest on that ticket too. That is what they were responding to.
Okay.
That is what they were responding to. So they were not even ready to listen to what I said. That is what they were responding to. There can I say the National Executive Committee of the party and what the sole authority
neck no
to determine who stands on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party. And they also want to say, I don't apologize to anybody on this because this is what our constitution says. It said they make a no, parliamentary vetting, appeals committee for Omojuma. Omo report about parliamentary vetting committee report.
Talking of appeals committee report, no, what release yama omo appeals will be a who?
They release. Sir, yes, say per the rules, no. So appeals committee for we Omojuma. Omo the bread National Executive Committee through the General Secretary. And the bread General Secretary on to me and sa report and tuja. Because General Secretary, you know, a conduit to the National Executive Committee.
Okay.
Until you can't release that report. Until I who say, they are what in your rumors. But in terms of the report, bad dear, and no dear, Ukraine. May about miss. May train na emuajo na National Executive Committee Asia. National Executive Committee Asia. Na omo report no. National Parliamentary Vetting Committee report. In a comments by the National Steering Committee, no, yeah, they are to him into almost decision, almost by no, and no, decision of the party, and on the platform, no, so never share
platform so out here,
and on the platform, until you be on champion, no, and Shada and Kobebia. Nina recommendations and suggestions. All these committee almost recommendation, almost suggestion, and then some petitions. Yeah, we are peace committee, and I crime receive petition be from some constituency. I him for be one or more petition, but a few more almost suggestion. A few more yes. All these are recommendations. Nina no, you better National Executive Committee in him. Now you decided on pay, and from the where we are, it is possible say easy public gathering your friend is saying conferences near mana kakra na kwandema me jide say we are easy I here 2 days time and I National Executive ni na watch so and now watch me no so be na ato aba no na depending on how the situation is no na be determine whether we want to vote at the constituency level or want to also decentralize our voting. So in the mention, you can't decentralization in our voting in our parliamentary primaries. We can decide to choose an option of a polling station election or electoral area elections or constituency elections. So in the mention, okay. A polling station, nipa 5 prepare to about hot. Until within 30 minutes, you know, you went to about near the results in your collation center near Kokika Boom. See, I can say electoral area and a person here to about in order to ensure, say, we respect the social distance protocols. No, maximum nipa 50 to about at electoral area. Because in our constitution, no, and a police station, any electoral area be a polling station. Executive polling station say shana say every time be a cheb. Until demarcation say electoral commission was 6,500. Yeah, or better 7,000. Because there are polling electoral areas polling stations a bit 15 and I say 20. Yeah, a bro 10 per near cheb. About eventually decided say moment use electoral commission demarcation no na electoral commission numbers no enye pepepe na yan to abano electoral areas we pe na calculate constituency office na ya can boom na declare winner no na ya kwa anim ana say you bet to me I decided say to constituency center then also we are collecting results all in an effort to ensure say respecting social distance protocols in order to safeguard our own people. Indeed, you better decided so say any in our constituency never compare park kasiye you creative as 20 police stations. So never share no because nipa do draw eto aba no hwe be wo hwe ma be say 600 on the average. The collective be even 20 or 50 polling stations are. Every polling station be in this circumstance maybe nipa 50 and be to aba. It's within a very short time no. We park here Obia didn't huni with proper and maximum security or within just a very short time no ever to abane we na ye declare nya candidates ejina ya name to ensure say 2020 nobody in the party is thinking and praying say do the worst case scenario na akobane say national executive kra ko hampeke ko for e de amaye but about worst case scenario because that is the apex of decision making body with regards to parliamentary primaries you know omo wo ho kwan so be take this nti obi ama na kuma antoni yem I can understand there's a lot of apprehension and tension in the system. I can understand we decided to person contest elections so far no un said your feedback as to you qualify and I say you qualify. Apart from that we are sure class say you qualify also bia unim da here to abano polling station for isugu so delegacy igugu so and who sikasem and all that. Yes, I understand, but I will say who say we are in a very very trying times. This is not normal time for all of us. Ndiye nyina no yebebo modern say yebe niema to fit the system that we are in. Obi anu I said that sebi me wo we as part of many programs no we cry air channel cry no affecting you never tell because look inka second May ya inka what we call an extraordinary national delegates conference. And at that conference, do you know what we are going to do?
No.
In Kayeko introduce all our elected parliamentary candidates. The 275, you know. Because a week before, now certain members of parliament, they can't baby often constituencies here and that. In Tinka, preferably central or western region. Now introduce all our candidates to the people of this country. And on that occasion, also no. Gebe launch a manifesto. Also who say naturally say a manifesto no yeah. I train this occasion. Come in the
May we am.
Come in the second May
2020 manifesto
committee ya da. Dr. Baumia Nedano.
Ebi ne kutano.
There be way your constitution when you manifesto. Now come a man go farmer attacking for Kwao. 2012 I said yeah,
and I know that has no.
Yeah, manifesto.
JB because I know that has
2012 now.
You're the one to me question.
Sorry. Who is the graph first? I gave good luck. Who is the pedo?
About was we are my ambulance amount is here.
Who is here? Yeah, coach. In 2012, yeah, manifesto. A theme of our manifesto, people matter, you matter, or something.
Hey, it's some way.
And this is for no go here. All of a sudden now if your manifesto intent them no work launch your manifesto no my your team na day na so never charity a critical issue they make cases so they say inka second May inka the new patriotic party at our extraordinary delegates conference inka launch your manifesto and you launch your so you say allow your manifesto so they so okay, review the previous one. The Nema to me aka na the pese year 2022 2020 and no Ghana for so no more renew the mandate of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now 169 no certain members of parliament. You to me nya best 200 because in Nema year within just 3.5-4 years no. Uma NDC 400 years so to me
Before you go into that, so share senior more primary see and MSc akoni ade ideally nanka mo yen somewhere October November last year ɛna mo de ba nanim kakra na edididi mo abiru say mo no mo ho say mo anto aba no before this year
want to be in case when no ho say wa anto ana say unu because obia nim the ebesi ewo nanim so na me change to me in case because we decided to fix April 25th, based on very, very tangible reasons. Very tangible reasons are at the time I hear fix, Now the argument for fixing it April 25th, was the cogent argument to make it against it because one, it was around a time and not able did the last budget, the most critical budget in our 4th year. Now you hear all parliamentarians say you best support na budget na appropriation any man yet to me approve crans aban to me AC 2020 no to me immediately January because it was around that time no more debate in any man the say immediately after Easter no. That is 2 weeks after Easter, no. Nanke aye nephew. Until with hindsight, but there was no way we could have done this so because the decision, what went into the decision was very, very important, was cogent, was because party kekane I was say consider they are buying and so because they are buying here any effect on the party here any effect on the government. Maybe from hindsight, any punk, but any winter, any ma, gave you gray, last 2 years, answer on the maternity. What went into the decision was very, very fantastic, and I believe, say, giving us the opportunity again, we'll take that decision again.
The final leg on this and some other issues. So maybe most can say, viewers, more testers, no comment on the baby must say. Sa appeals ni ade ba na disqualify nipa binum ewom but say no nipa no onhu ne yinti no nanim say ye mana kwa na so onko no say oda so ko delegates na so enom ko twetwe ko no so wa onim say amamre wom ni ade eti nipa am disqualify no mo ma ne hu preko na on pe ne ba bi ntina na onya se da bi okọ delegates na so na ho so kakra won ho no suspend no
the cross anyway ne de oka odika no crepa Yaya appeals committee at Tenase at the Omo recommendations. Unfortunately, no, there's no way I made these recommendations not to ja because per the rules, no, appeals committee ye Omo Juma we are Omo the bread general secretary, Omo the bread national executive, true general secretary. And the Mahon say National Parliamentary Vetting Committee for year we gave them the mandate to publish the list of Omo vetting on my year. Until they published the list at the constituency, at the region, and brought National Executive through me the report. But appeals committee in the day, so Omo Juma, Omo found common National Executive, but Omo to be National Executive so until Omo farmer me na me farmer National Executive, and that's exactly what has been done. It is not possible say ebe to me amame ho kwa just say bia National Steering Committee or what the power to take emergency decisions or urgent decisions in an emergency situation empower me say me fan tuja we they've not done omo nya me to be fan tuja me yes happy na me bu constitution so yes difficult yes I was saying ke wie nkoma hu sankanya covid ya nkoma hu omo last da so na me
but neck mo yesen mo do yesen
neck ye be say twie be embro 35
oh some mo betimi a Zoom conference
but we Zoom conference
because on say MPP for pass na mo city no mo ye nipa mo ka kire mo ka mo de tu mo say mo ya akrache for mo na ene bibia mo say bibia digital
neck nankasa enye problem o neck nankasa de ye ka say person ye ochina ye be and just as you suggested we can have a meeting through Zoom and all that because we've done a lot of meetings like that already so na me che no ya hwe ya yeah, manifesto I'm a car saying launching and me there chima. You no through the internet or virtual. You bet me, you
bet me.
Now the only things we about me are the guitar man. And then you didn't cry, you bet. See, I can't see a yen in the but yeah, person who a clear way forward because you to me who say. Yeah, easy public gathering. Yeah, easy conference arrangement na just say yeah ni am home 1 week 2 weeks dey to aba na ekọ baby so na me che no but since I ekoye ewie na afi no na ayeden yenim da aye to aba and all that. I think say be stress we are in a period enya normal times since mo indulge en kakra enye say nije so ne dey yes we consider ni nyina say that me catch there no nka Saturday apart from say launch a manifesto you introduce your president your parliamentary candidates nyina nke be say introduce your presidential candidate and your running mate because your presidential candidate in there you be a nomination you close to you no nipa baako in the person of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo pet never far forms no. Their constitution is and say National Congress or says any Akufa forms now or see a shania claim candidates. We see as acclamation there. The TBI Romano or the modern bar wabo. Over the last 3.5 years, he was born home modern part president Ronim Diwe Diso Manaya Fe. Until you manage a ticket to be a young pharaoh who cry. Then over find forms now or they buy you know. Or sign indicated to us say National Congress agent to move year. An acclamation we are. Over Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as his running mates. Now so decided say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne be any running mate a National Council and be approval sir suggestion not the beba no. Intimately can say oh it is only National Council that can approve our running mate now obufu kwa because that is what it is. So the as we speak now no anytime you be parliamentary primaries be National Congress to acclaim the presidential candidate no you be National Council na or send the to National Council name say Dr. Bawumia and a be any running mate ya jetuma nke ya jatum dada ntinka May 2nd nke akoye ni amay presidential candidate so ni amay running mate iti ubehu ya presidential candidate sa running mate and the dry ticket so.
Na send the son a momo pen mo no because obi a ono nya nyine de so obeyi time no be mo obeyi.
And I say on the onim de obeyi into a difference in the womb.
Onim say.
Yeah the onim de you know. So na me say no.
Onim say onim say. Anyway.
Yeah na almost say COVID into omo to me you know.
Na so omo na mo so nya COVID into na mo ntimi nto mo abai.
Na say yen so no de can say. The be you know presidential candidate any Randy Bate jira at the whole plane.
And no say ono onka say de na ho. Utie na o say.
We say at the whole plane.
Ono so ne de na because
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet